Hey everyone! It's Maka Day today, and I'm your vlogger for today's video. I am Elijah Alejo. So, ayun. As all of you know by now, I am the newest addition. Wow! Newest na nga addition pa. Sino ka dyan? Okay. So, I'm the new member of the Maka Barkada. And ngayong season 2 lang ako sumali. Anyways, ang dami kong side comments. Ang daming ako yung nag-aano sa sarili ko. But so, ayun. Naglalakad-lakad lang ako. It's my vacant kasi nag-eksena sila and hindi ako kasali sa eksena nila. Kaya ako gumagala-gala dito sa labas ng MacArthur Academy. Diba? So, ayun. To give you a brief background about my character's name is Elijah Rodente. So, wag po kayo malilito kay Elijah Alejo at kay Elijah Rodente kasi magkaiba po sila ng ugali. So, si Elijah Rodente, anak siya ni Mr. Rodente na boss ni Zephanie Molina, which is of course played by Zephanie. And ayun, so ano siya dito kay Zeph, insecure, and she will make Zephanie's life, I think both at school and personal life, a living hell. So ayun, and I am really excited na makita nyo kung anong klaseng Elijah Rodente yung makikita nyo dito. So ayun, because I really had fun. Actually, agad. Kala mo tapos na i-shoot lahat ng eksena. But anyways, so sa mga scenes namin kanina and nung last taping day, I really had fun doing my character because kahit she's a really mean girl, syempre masaya siyang laruin. Masaya siyang laruin because alam niyo yung she's a queen bee. So, yung pagtatry niya, it's not cheap. And pwede mo siya, nalalaro ko siya. Like, I can be all smiles. But yung mga sinasabi ko na kay Zeph is masasakit. And at the same time, minamanipulate ko si Livy para magalit siya sa friends niya. So, ayun. I hope mainis din kayo dito. And sana matuwa kayo kahit papano. So, ayun everyone. Thank you for watching.